All right, sequences and series. Let's look at that first column, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have to decide what's happening. Well, to get from 2 to 4, you can add 2 or multiply by 2. To get to 4 to 6, oh, it's adding 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So we know that this is an arithmetic sequence because we're adding every time. And we know that D is 2 because we're adding 2 every time to create the sequence. So it says find the 15th term. A sub 15 just means find the 15th term. Now because it's arithmetic, we're going to take a look at our trusty formula sheet and use this formula. So let's plug in what we know. A sub 1 is the first term. The first term in the sequence above is a 2. Plus, all right, we're going to plug in 15 because we're looking for the 15th term, and we established that D is 2. So we're looking for A sub 15, in other words, the 15th term. So we just need to do a little arithmetic. We can plug it straight in our calculator exactly how we see it, parentheses and all, and we'll discover the 15th term is 30. All right, 2, 4, 8, 16. Adding 2, no, oh, we're multiplying by 2 every time. So we can conclude that this is a geometric sequence, and we say R is 2 because we're multiplying by 2 every time. Again, we're going to find the 15th term, but we're going to use a different formula. We're going to look on the formula sheet in the column of geometric and find this trusty formula. And we're going to fill in what we know. We know we're looking for the 15th term, so N is 15. The first term is 2. We established that R is 2. N again is 15 because we're looking for the 15th term. You can do some arithmetic and type it in. I usually go ahead and simplify my exponent. I find that it cuts down on errors in my calculator. 15 minus 1, that's 14. That didn't hurt your brain or anything. So that is what I'm going to type in my calculator to discover that the 15th term is 32,768. This last symbol is the sigma symbol. It means sum. The number here tells you what to plug in first. The number up top tells you what to plug in last. So the first thing that we're going to plug in is a 1. We're going to plug it into the function. 2 to the first plus 1. Well, that's 2 plus 1, so that's 3. Next, we're going to plug in a 2. 2 to the second plus 1. So we get 4 plus 1, which is 5. Lastly, we're going to plug in a 3. I'm going to stop there because it was at the top, so I know that's the last term I'm going to plug in. So I'm going to get 8 plus 1, which is 9. Now, I've done a fantastic job generating this sequence. However, sigma means sum. So these terms I created, I'm going to have to add them now. 3 plus 5 plus 9. The sum is the answer I'm looking for, and it's 17.